Guys, we're getting a massive recovery and retracement for Dogecoin and other cryptos. Now is the time to pay close attention. We're going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. If you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. When I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for a steep dip. That rare time to buy in. I let you guys know that I'm buying in so you guys can buy as well. I then let you guys know when I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you could do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top pinned comment where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Also, congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade alerts because we've made a lot of money. Guys, every single day we get a new company that's now accepting Dogecoin. Today, they've announced that a travel company is actually accepting Dogecoin now. It's a Berlin-based firm called Get Your Guide. They've booked 14 million vacations already, so this huge company now accepting Dogecoin is going to pump Doge. There's going to be some huge volatility and some huge pumps coming soon for Doge because of this. A lot more people are going to be buying vacation with Dogecoin. They're going to be buying Dogecoin just to purchase vacations. More money pumping into Doge and pouring into Doge is a clear sign for green days ahead. They book destinations mostly for people going from Berlin to the United States. That's their expertise. This will in turn cause more people in the US to pump Doge and to buy into Doge as well. And it'll cause other travel companies to get right behind it and follow and jump on the bandwagon and also offer Dogecoin. Guys, this is the perfect time for these companies to get in and start accepting Dogecoin, because at these low prices, they know that whatever they end up getting paid in Doge will end up doubling, tripling, quadrupling, or even more just by the end of this year. You want to get in during these infancy stages when the prices are still very low on discount, so that there's only a short amount of time that you have to wait before you make a lot of money. Get Your Guide is also going to be accepting BitPay, which supports a lot of other cryptocurrencies as well. With the brand new Dogecoin update that the developers are currently working on, Dogecoin transaction fees are going to be 100 times less. This is huge. This is only going to cause more companies to want to buy in, support, and accept Dogecoin. The inflation rate of Dogecoin and cryptos is almost nothing compared to the US dollar. The US dollar became worth only a third of what it was worth in 2019. Guys, these companies accepting Dogecoin can very easily cause their company to triple or quadruple in value in a very short amount of time. They know this. They know the future. They have confidence, and that's why they've chosen to accept it. Guys, if you want to trade cryptos tax-free, go ahead and use my iTrust Capital link in the top pinned comment. Also, if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment as well. If you deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can buy cryptos with that or liquidate it and send it straight to your bank account. Also, if you know Dogecoin is headed to the moon, smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. An article did come out today talking about online businesses, and it goes over whether they're ready or not to start accepting Dogecoin. I'm conjecturing that in July, these transaction fees will be reduced because I think the update will be ready to be released for Dogecoin in July. Guys, there's thousands of companies around the US and around the world that are currently accepting Dogecoin as payment. Kronos, Dallas Mavericks, Kessler Collection, and that's just to name a few. Guys, we've recently hit our peak with Ethereum. We're now headed down. Be ready for my trade alert on my Patreon because you're going to want to buy into this massive dip at the perfect time, and I'm going to be keeping you guys up to date on that. Guys, Ethereum is one of the leaders of the altcoins, and I believe that it will hit $3,000 just within a month or two. On our bull run on Bitcoin, we're also seeing another dip. When it becomes steep enough, I'm going to be letting you guys know about that one too. The Bank of France governor says that he doesn't have much more time to regulate crypto. Guys, he's afraid that they're going to leave the euro, that they're just going to go to Bitcoin or other cryptos. He knows that time is almost up as far as regulating cryptos, and he's believing that he's just going to have to let go, and that's the idea of crypto, the people's coin. that they can use and spend freely as they choose. Now that most of the sellers are all out of the market, because for the last month and a half, we've been dealing with a lot of FUD and fake news that the whales have been putting out. Guys, they're done with that now. They're out of all the fake news. It's time for the greed. It's time for the greed to set in at these dips. It's time to have some cash on the side to buy in, because we're about to see a huge bounce. With all the sellers out of the market now, and the panic sellers with paper hands are long gone, we now just have buyers mainly in the marketplace, and that's why we're seeing the prices go up now. Guys, China has been kicking out the miners, and it's all because they're creating their own cryptocurrency. The US government has also recently announced that they're working on their own cryptocurrency. The countries are fearful that the cryptos are going to take over, so they want to get a piece of the pie. People were tired of others controlling their wealth, and that's why they've created a decentralized cryptocurrency. Guys, they're trying to fight this now. Don't allow it. Don't buy in. Maintain strong hands, diamond hands, and only buy cryptos like Dogecoin and other altcoins. Guys, Ethereum was up over $2,200 today. If you'd bought in when I put out my trade alert under $2,000, then you've made a lot of money, and it might be time to sell. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. Guys, any crypto market or stock market doesn't just go straight up. It doesn't just go straight down. It has a lot of volatility and waves, and that's perfect. That's why you want to get into crypto now. Because with all that volatility, it allows me to wait for that steep dip and then sell at the peak, because we see those quite often. Guys, Ethereum has had 3 green days in a row. It now needs a cool down period. It needs a corrections phase, so be ready to buy at the dip. It's coming up. Guys, on our Dogecoin chart, when we hit 16 cents, our bottom, we have had a clear and consistent uptrend ever since. It went up. It also hit that peak when I told you guys to sell, where you raked in a lot of profit. You then see that it needed a cool down period right here, but we're back on our bull run and headed straight upwards. So guys, if you haven't yet joined my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in my top pinned comment. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alert. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for a steep dip, that rare time to buy in. I let you guys know that I'm buying so that you guys can buy as well. I then wait for a peak so that you guys can sell as well, or hold with diamond hands. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top pinned comment, where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.